Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. Good morning. Today is Monday, October 2nd, 2023, the first day of the third quarter. Rising bond yields and fears of a government shutdown hammered stocks last week, with technology shares bearing the brunt of the retreat. The Dow Jones Industrials Average lost 1.89%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 dropped 2.93%. The NASDAQ Composite Index tumbled 3.62% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, fell 1.77%. The bond market drove stock prices for much of last week as investors fretted about rising bond yields. After beginning the week with small gains, stocks resumed their September decline amid weak housing data and a decline in consumer confidence. However, it was the jump in bond yields which sent the 10-year Treasury yield to near a 15-year high that may have had most undermined investor sentiment. After a failed attempt at a rebound midweek, stocks staged a Thursday rally on a pause in bond yield increases, a rally that extended into Friday morning on an encouraging core personal consumption expenditures price index report, or PCE. PCE is the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, but the rally faded as traders fixated on a potential government shutdown. Amid recent signs of a labor market cooling, which is a hopeful sign for ending rate hikes, last Thursday's initial jobless claims report showed only a slight increase of 204,000. That was the second lowest reading since January and below economists' expectations of 215,000. Continuing claims declined by 12,000. That same morning, the final estimate of second quarter GDP was released, indicating a 2.1% annualized growth rate, unchanged from the previous estimate. However, beneath the headline number, consumer spending was cut to a 0.8% rise from its earlier estimate of 1.7%, a worrisome revision since consumer spending is the engine of the U.S. economy. As always, we will continue to keep our finger on the pulse of what's really going on in the markets. This week's economic news that we're watching includes a report from ISM today, or the Institute for Supply Management. They have their manufacturing index report out. Tomorrow we have the JOLTS report, the Job Openings and Turnover Survey. On Wednesday, we have ADP's employment report, as well as ISM's services index. Thursday, we have a look at jobless claims, and then Friday, a look at the employment situation. SmartMix is a personalized portfolio solution for individual investors. One of the things that sets SmartMix apart is that we primarily invest in individual stocks, cutting out the many hidden costs that can be found in today's investment products. This week we have a lighter week of companies reporting earnings, but it is something that we watch every week. Today, the only company hitting our radar is Constellation Brands on Thursday. If we are not investing your life savings for you, you can learn about our low-cost, fully transparent, and personalized approach at smartmixportfolios.com. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for staying until the end. I have another riddle for you. Again, be the first person to post the correct answer down below this video in the comments section, and we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. All right, so today's riddle, we're going to fill in the blank. So put this up here. All right, so what goes in the blank below? Bob is Ken's son. Therefore, Ken is the blank of Bob's father. Again, be the first person to post the correct answer down below this video, whether you're watching on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, or Twitter. Put it in the comments section. Be the first one. We'll send you a gift card for coffee on us. If you'd like the answers to previous week's riddles, you can visit our website /riddles for those. And then lastly, later on today, we'll be sending out our full economic update for the week. This update includes more than what I talked about here this morning, including our popular weekly tax tip. This week's tax tip, we are answering the question, who can deduct car expenses on their tax returns? So if you would like this email and you're not getting it, you can subscribe at our website, www.investwithccg.com. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.